Hi guys, my name is Akanimo Rex, Devrel for Cordell, and today I'll be walking you through deploying your web app on Telegram. This tutorial is basically going to cover, going to walk you through building a full stack dApp application and hosting it on Telegram, and also you'll be able to use a Telegram bot to create a game for your application. So work with me and let's go. So let's take a look at the project, the game. This is what we are building. It's a basic guess the number dApp, which you have to connect your wallets. Let's connect our wallets. It opens up a wallet with a Rainbow Kit, and you have the access to different wallets. And you click MetaMask, and when connected to MetaMask, yeah, so you have access to the features of the app, which it generates a random number for you, and you stand a chance to guess the number one, and if it's wrong, note the number is from 1 to 10. I made it quite easy, so you don't have to stress too much. And once you get the number, whatever it is, let's see. Okay, it's we can't guess the number, and we need to reveal to see what was the number. Reveal it, and yeah, it's it. So let's type it. We get a congratulations message, and we get to claim one GSS token. So let's claim that. So this is literally what we are building, and yeah, you give it a second, let it claim. Yeah, I successfully claimed one GSS token. Okay, now we start the game if you want to and play again. So this is what we are going to be building. Now let's look at the project architecture of what we are building. So this is the project which we are building. This is the architecture. We have the folder structure here. We have two folders, the front end and the smart contract. And let's look at the smart contract. The contracts already we are going to deploy this on core testnet. If you do not deploy, I will send there's a link attached here for you to walk through the process of deploying a smart contract or core. So this is the contract basically. So in the smart contract folder, we are going to have this is the smart contract where we could decide to write the game logic in here or in your front end. So I did the two, but mostly this is the function that's going to be used, the claim function for the rewards, and this is the reward, the ERC20 token. Now for the front end, we'll be using React and Tailwind for styling. We'll be using Rainbow Kit for wallet management and Wagmi for our integration. So basically, this is how the front end looks. The game logic, it's in here. We handle game logic claiming. We're going to we're going to write from the block, write to the blockchain when we are claiming the tokens. So let's get to setting up our bot. This application is already deployed and is hosted on Vessel. So let's get to setting up our bot. Okay, so first off, you search for bot father on Telegram and make sure it's this one that has the logo. And you start Now it gives you all of this list of things you need to do. And they're choosing to look for start a new bot. So new bot, you can choose to call it whatever you want. For this one, let's call it sample game bot. Okay, now we can choose a username for it to give you the same username, the same name if you want to. You could give any name you want. Well, you have to make sure it's a unique name. So you give it sample game but unique. Oh, okay. Now it works. And we are going to take note of this token because we are going to use it. So we copy this into this somewhere safe. So up next, we have to create a new application. So we're going to do new app, and we'll be asked to select which of the bots you want the app to be on. And remember, you just created a bot, so you want to select your bot, which is this. And now it has been created, so you can create a title for the web app. You could call it first mini app. Okay, could enter any description, builds. Okay, now you have to upload a photo of your web app, and you have to make sure that it's in these pixels. It has to be in this dimension. So let's look for that. So we check for it. This is this one. Okay, so we don't really need the GIF, so you could choose empty. Okay, now it's you need to send me your web app URL that will be opened. And this is the URL that you hosted on Vessel, Netlify, on GitHub pages, whatever static web hoster that you use. So you go to your application, could copy the link here, and you head to the Telegram and you send it that link. Now you can choose a short name for your web application. So let's say sample sample Korean. Okay, now so this you have a game right now that can be opened in a Telegram environment. If you click this and you allow it to send you a message, you could open this as a mini app. Let's wait for it. So there you go. You could open this as a mini app, and you could actually connect your wallet to it, and you could actually play the game. Let's wait a second. So yeah, you could actually play the game here if you want to. So let's set it up as a proper Telegram game, shall we? So we have the Telegram mini app ready. Now let's make a game now that we have this. So still on this Botsfada chat, you're going to create a new game, and it's going to give you a kind of policy or law which you have to agree to. So you choose OK, and it will give you a policy again. You have to choose accept, and now you have to choose which bot you'll be given to the game. So remember we created a bot earlier. So we are going to have to choose that, which is the sample unit bot. Remember, we also, if you have not set inline for your bot, you have to go back and do this set inline, select the bot you wanted to, and set it. It's necessary for the game inside the Telegram application. So let's create a username. Let's create a title for the game. Let's call it first game. Short description, guessing the number. And yes, of course, we have to upload the picture again. It has to be the same dimension as specified. So we choose this. You could choose any one of your choice too, but it has to follow that dimension. So we choose to skip this. Okay. So now let's choose a short name for our game. Let's call it sample game. Now we can use the sample game as the short name parameter in the bot API. And the game. So with this link, you could send it to your friends or send it to anyone, and they will start the bot, and it will automatically spin up the game for them. But we still have some things to do to finish up. Right now, if you open the bot and you click start, I mean, this is because I sent it to me. But if you open the bot, if you send the bot to someone and you click start, it won't work. It won't do anything. You have to write a script for you to be able to run the bot automatically. So I have prepared a script for that. Basically, the script is written in JavaScript using the Telegraph library. Basically, the script gets the token. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the script does. So this script basically gets the Telegram token, and it starts the bot, and it generates an inline keyboard which shows you the display when you send this bot to someone. It shows you play the game or help. And if it waits, it listens for the user. If the user clicks play this game, it it sends the link to the user when the user clicks play game. And if the user clicks help, it sends a help message how to play the game. Just basic stuff. So I'm going to push this to GitHub, and the link will be attached to this video so you can get the script. But basically, what you have to do to run the script is run node main node.js. The bot is running. Now, when the bot is running, if you send the Telegram link to your friend right now, it's going to work. So let's test it out. I'm going to use another account, try to access this bot. So this is my second account, and I'll look for that bot. This is it. And I click start, and I get the two things I said. So if I click help, I get the message how to play the game. And if I click play this game, I get this. I click confirm, and it shows up the application for me to interact with. So with this, you basically have a game where you could send to your friends. You could easily build a game from here. You could make it as complicated as you want, as complex as you want. But this is basically it. So good luck. Keep building. See you in the next video.